Hey guys, something a little different today. I'm going out to do a bit of practice drone flying. Got a big gig coming up in a couple of days. If you need somewhere to fly your drone here in Ho Chi Minh City, I totally recommend this place. Come on, let's go and check it out. Yeah, so here I am. We're at the landmark tower, just crossing the bridge over the highway now. And I'll make my way down to the park. Whenever I want to practice a maneuver, or likewise on the drone, I always come down to this park because it's big, it's open, there are a few obstacles I can fly around, but for the most part pretty difficult to crash the drone here. So it's a great place to come to build your skills. Really. What are you guys, superheroes?
Yes.
Hi. What are you dressed up for?
Stuff for
Filming?
On YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
Oh,
Me
YouTube.
too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So hi.
What's your channel?
Girls on the Loose.
Oh,
What's your channel?
yeah. Can we follow you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Cool.
Nice.
Girls on the loose.
So yeah, I'm making
will follow,
videos
yeah.
in Vietnam.
Yes.
Yeah.
Vietnam and Malaysia.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what have we got? Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Who are you?
Also on Spider-Man.
Oh, different
Spider-Man.
Black Spider. Oh, all Spider-Man. Nice. Okay guys, have a good time. See you. Bye bye.
See you again.
So just trying to find a quiet place in the park here to put the drone up and run into those nice superhero guys. All good. So here we are. There's the landmark tower. To be careful of power lines and whatnot here. All right, so we've got the drone ready for takeoff. We're booting up the RC controller, and this is our location. Fairly open park. We have got some trees around. There's a tree right under here, but I need that for shadow to see properly. It says unable to take off, not sure why. It's a recommended zone. There is an update, but that shouldn't matter. I've done plenty of updates. And takeoff permitted, we can see there.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
To get back under the shade here. So I'll turn this off for a bit while I have a bit of a fly. Drone flying is legal in Vietnam. However, you're supposed to get a permit each time you fly. I've found that if you're careful and you don't bring attention to yourself, you can get away with flying just about anywhere. Bringing a drone into the country shouldn't be a problem. I recommend putting your drone in checked baggage and the batteries in your cabin bag. Wow, that was a hot hour or so drone flying. Did a few maneuvers, practiced a few master shots, sent it up and around, and we'll have a look at the footage when we get home. Let's go pick up a couple of items from the supermarket first though. Well guys, it's a few days later. I'm gonna go out and throw the drone up again, get some shots of District 1 along the river looking towards 2 Tien Bridge. Let's go, let's see how I go. It's always a bit risky flying in District 1. See if we can get some good footage. I'm sure we can. Let's do it. I don't know if you can see that at all, but that's where we are. We're over the statue and we're gonna bring it home. some drone flying, guys. Alright guys, we'll check out that footage when we get home. Great flying with you. Catch you next time. We're Girls on the Loose. Bye for now.